Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today I wanted to take a look at one of Apple's coolest yet least ergonomic mouse. Released in 1998, these puck-shaped mice were shipped with the 5 flavors of iMac G3 computers, each with a unique color to match. I've been trying to get each of the colors, and in that process, I picked up a few of them on eBay, but they're pretty dirty and trackball mice are notorious for collecting dirt. Thankfully, these are some of the easiest mice to get into. After rotating the bottom plate, you can see just how dirty this trackball is. The colorful side plates have clips on either sides that are pretty easy to snap off, and removing them reveals 2 little screws, one under each of the color plates that hold it together. Lastly, the top part of the assembly snaps off with these little tabs on the front by pushing it up and apart, revealing the circuit board. Now I'm going to slide out the USB cable and the Logitech made board, which comes right out. And you can see why I'm disassembling the entire thing. So it's actually pretty interesting how these work. As the trackball moves around, these 2 black wheels would identify which direction the mouse is moving to match your cursor on screen. Now for cleaning this, I'm literally just going to wash the parts with dish soap and some warm water. That will hopefully remove the pen marks in this Apple logo. And for this underpiece, I'm just rinsing it since there are fragile parts. I've found that the most effective way to clean the colored plates is with rubbing alcohol, since they originally had a rubber coating which has now turned sticky from age. While the other parts are drying, the circuit boards can be cleaned with pressurized air, or in my case, I'm just using a brush to loosen any dust. Lastly, you can disconnect the USB cable and use some more rubbing alcohol to clean it. Reassembly is pretty self-explanatory, fitting the cable back in, placing the circuit board down, snapping on the top cover, securing the 2 screws, replacing the trackball, and reattaching the tangerine colored plates. Compared to the bland beige PS2 mice of the time period, these outlandish orbs really complemented the bold design of the first iMac. Sadly, they were short-lived because of uncomfortable ergonomics, eventually to be replaced by the Apple Pro Mouse in 2000. I still think that they're a beautiful design, and I'm glad to have nicely restored ones. Thank you so much for watching, and stay posted for part 2 of my Ubiquiti Network upgrade series.